Hi everyone, this is Rose from Jewelry Designs by Rose. Thank you to all of my subscribers and thank you to all of the people who are watching this video. If you're new here, please hit the like or the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So this is a freshwater pearl with a really pretty purple coating. I don't know how they do this process, but I know there's lots of different color pearls out there, and I really love this color purple. And I had bought these really cute Swarovski pearls. They're really small, and I put those in between because they just happen to be almost the exact same color. They're a mauve color. And so I really loved this necklace. As you could see, it's such a pretty purple. I do have the information from where this pearl came from. Let me see if I can find here. It is a 3mm Swarovski pearl, so I don't know if you can get any more of these beads. I'll try to get them for you and put them on my website to sell. Just so you know, I am working on selling my items now online, the beads, so that you can buy them if there's something that you really love and you just want to buy the item, you can. So let's go through. As I said, this is the first one. I love this one. And I'm going to show you the next one. I just made it with a really nice clasp here. So that was one of the items from my bead box. This is another one that I absolutely love. I got these twisted tubes here, and so I added those in there. I also added some big chunky crystals in different colors. So you can see that I added that one here. Let's see if I can get a little bit more light. That's better. So that's what I added. And then I also had these really cool flower beads in silver and these really finely faceted purple beads. That's better if I move my finger out of the way. And so I also had these really pretty purple lavender jade beads as well in the box. And then these kind of light, kind of a grayish purple light Chinese crystals, those were in there as well. So these, everything I'm going to show you, I would say 99% of it is what was in my box. And so I just wanted to show you that you can get quite a few things out of this. And so I really love this design. And then in the back, what I did was I just put some of the light colored crystals at the top, and I used the clasp that came in the box, and I also came with crimp beads and crimp covers. So those are the things that came in the box. I love this one. It's really pretty. And then the next necklace that I made is this one. I had a few of the freshwater pearls left over, and I had this crystal, purple, dark crystal bead. So I used 2 of the flowers on each side, and then I also had these lavender quartz beads, as well as I had 6 of these freshwater pearls left over, so I used that. And I also had these dark purple crystals. They're finely faceted, so it really makes everything kind of pop out. I also added 2 flower beads on each side on the top, and then I finished it with a chain here. So you've got the chain in the back, and the chain did not come in the box, but everything else did. So you can see that. I really like that one a lot. So yeah, that was a really nice one as well. I really love all of these. So the other couple things that I made here, I made 2 bracelets. Again, I use these like curved silver, and it looks really super cute on. I love that way that looks. So I made that bracelet. And then I also made this bracelet here as well. And this bracelet had some of these agate beads in a dyed purple, which are really super pretty. And then I added a charm. The charm didn't come in the box. I added this from my own stash. But these beads did. They're so pretty. So I made these two pretty bracelets. And I made a pair of earrings. So those came out really nice. And I had some of these lavender jade left over. And I wanted to show you something I made from the last box that I had. I thought it was really super, super cute. I added these really cute flower components here. They aren't glass. I think they're just acrylic. But they look really natural, so they're frosted, like a frosted color. And so I basically added a yellow bead, as you can see at the bottom here. Yellow glass bead to the bottom. Get a little bit better. And I think they really look super cute. And I made another one. I had put several different of these flower acrylic beads, and I added a crystal, a blue crystal to this one. So this one's a purple with a blue crystal, and they're really super cute. It was in the picture that I had, but I didn't show it, and so I just wanted you to kind of see that because they are super cute. I love it with the crystal and these beads. I like the color combination. Okay, and then I still had a few beads left over, so I could still make some other, bracelet to match the earrings. I just wanted to kind of show you, all the things I have left. I still have quite a few of these things left. So I could still make another couple bracelets probably with this, or a few earrings. These are all the beads that I have left, and I could definitely make a couple of bracelets and maybe some earrings with this as well. And hoping to make a few more items and show you those. I just love the color of purple. And this is kind of a darker mauvey purple, which I really like too. So I'm so excited to finish making something with this. Maybe add some silver components or wire wrap or something like that. So thank you so much again for watching my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. I will have some new videos coming up soon. I don't plan on having another bead box after June, just so you know, because it takes a lot of time and I have a full-time job outside of doing my videos and making jewelry. So I have a lot going on right now, and I really want to show you how to make more jewelry and just share my designs with you because I think everyone seems to like that. And so I want to go back to doing that and not taking my time making all of the bead box and filling everything out. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Remember to hit the subscribe and the like button. Thanks.